How to prevent WhatsApp from saving photos on Android. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. So right here, tap on the three dot icon at the top and go to the settings options. From this list, tap on storage and data. Under media auto download, select when using mobile data and unselect the options or media files, then hit OK. Now once you do that, head back from here and select chats. From here, toggle off the media visibility so that it is not downloaded in your device gallery. Head back. Again, tap on storage and data. From here, select manage storage to declutter all of the unnecessary media it has downloaded. Select the media that is larger than 5 MB and tap on the trash icon to delete it. And just like that, you will no longer have this problem of autosave. Now make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date as well in order to access those features. For this, open your Play Store and search for WhatsApp application and tap on it. Select WhatsApp and make sure that it is up to date. If there is an update bubble, simply leave it for an update. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.